Good morning students, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start part 2 of chapter 4. I hope you remember what we have studied in part 1. Okay, so today we will do everything practically so that you will learn how to start Windows 7, what are the components of Windows 7 and how to shut down Windows 7. Okay, so first we have to type a password here. This is your welcome screen students. We have to type a password. Okay, after typing password you have to click on the right arrow key. Now you can see the first screen of Windows, that is called Windows Desktop. Okay. Now students, we will learn the components of Windows Desktop. The first component of desktop is desktop icons. Can you see some icons on your desktop students? Yes, these are the small pictures of different programs that are visible on the desktop. These icons can be opened with the help of double click. Okay. Now can you see recycle bin, network, computer? These are all desktop icons. Okay. Now the next is mouse pointer. I hope you can see a mouse pointer on your Windows desktop, right? This is your mouse pointer. You can point at any of the program with the help of this mouse. Now the next is gadgets. Gadgets, you can see at the right hand side of your desktop there are some small programs, right? You can add them with the help of right click your mouse and go to gadgets, and then you can add some more gadgets on your desktop. Double click on the icon and that particular gadget will be added on your desktop. Okay. Now I will close this window and you can see there are two gadgets on your desktop. Now the next is taskbar. Can you see a long bar at the bottom? Yes, this is your taskbar. It displays the tasks that are being performed. You can see some shortcut icons also on this taskbar. Right? Some shortcut icons you can see. Some of the examples are Microsoft Excel, Google Chrome, Paint, and there are some more icons on the taskbar. Okay? And you can open this programs with the help of just single click. Suppose I want to open this Paint. So I'll click on it and the Paint window will be open in front of you. Okay? And we can close this window with the help of close button. Likewise, you can open other programs from the taskbar. Now the next is date and time. Can you see? Current time and date are visible on the right side of the taskbar. You can change or update them by just clicking on them. You just click on them and this current date and time will be active here. You can change, update, and you can do any changes in the time and date, and then you can click on it again so that you will be back. Now the next is notification area. Can you see a small arrow key here? Just click on it. You will get some icons here. These are all this is all icons on the notification area. It tells about the running programs or updates of the computer system. Okay. Now the next is start menu. I'll click on the start button and you can see some programs in this start menu, right? So this is your start menu. What we have to do? You just have to click on the start button. A list of menu will appear and this is known as start menu. It is used to access programs, files and computer settings. Okay? I hope you understood all the components, students. Yes students, now let us learn how to open a program using Start menu. Click on Start button. Click on All Programs. Can you see a list of programs here students? Yes, and your button has been changed to back button. Okay, now we have to go to Accessories and then we will select Paint. Okay, so your paint window has appeared in front of you, right? Now you can close this window from this close button. Okay, click on it. So you are out of it and you are on the desktop. Okay, so in this way we can open many more programs. Children, now we are going to learn switch between windows. You can open more than one window on your Windows desktop. How will you do this? First you have to open some of the programs. Click on Start button. I am going to open here Word 2013. Okay. Click on Blank Document and you can see your Word window is open. Right? Now I will minimize it and I'll keep it on my taskbar. Can you see this active button students? This is your document 1 which is your Word file, right? And now I'm going to open one more program through this Start button. Click on Start button and now I will open Calculator, okay? And I will minimize and keep it here on my taskbar. So there are two active windows now on your taskbar and you can switch between them very easily, right? You just have to click once on this particular icon and your window will be active, right? We can again minimize and keep it here and we can work parallelly on both the programs. Can you see this calculator now? Yes. So we will keep it here again on the taskbar. So we can work in more than one window at a time. Okay. So I hope you understood how to switch between windows. Right students? Now students, now we will learn how to shut down Windows 7. Okay. Now step 1. Once you finish all your work on your computer, you always make it a practice that you have to shut down your computer. Okay. Now click on Start button. Can you see a Start menu here students? Now we have to select a shutdown button which is on the right hand side at the bottom. Okay. So click on Shutdown button and your computer will be off now. This is the right way to shut down your computer. Okay. I hope you understood whatever we have learned today. Thank you and have a nice day.